In this shot, we're going to try and do what's called a high key portrait. So we're going to try and turn this entire background beautifully soft and white. It's a lovely, lovely style for a pretty young girl. She's sitting there nice and zen-like, nice and relaxed. So I'm going to try and do a lovely photo. Now the trick to this one is to overexpose the photo by 1 or 2 stops of light. If you're not sure quite how to do that, using your exposure compensation dial, your plus minus dial, just dial it up to plus until everything's nice and bright, basically. So we're going to try and do this now. Let's try, see how we go. So I said the trick is to overexpose the shot by a couple of stops. Typical miserable self. Can you sit on the window ledge for me? Sit a little bit higher.
Okay.
That's good. Yeah, that's nice. Can you, so sit on the other butt cheek, put your knees out, legs out that way a bit for me, even more. Even so as you point your toes to the wall. You do that, not going to fall off. That's better. Just a little bit more natural angle, that's all. Just flip your hair for me. You just come out of the shower so your hair's a bit on the flat side. Let's just shuffle it up a bit there. I guess you're going to love that. Mum's going to love that in the video. That's great. Now give me a little head toss. That's it. Oh yeah, that's good, that's good. Because this shot's got some beautiful light coming through from the background. So having that little bit of extra tussle hair there has something for the light to go through. Pretty good. Try and bring your knees up a little bit if you can. And bring your elbows up into your knees. That's good. Yeah, nice. Seems like you know what you're doing, kiddo. Almost. Your hand looks a little unnatural. You're kind of bending it a bit too much here. Just make it natural. Just make it natural. Because as you naturally would sit on the window ledge, and we do as you do all the time in pose, that hand, your right hand is still kind of like a seal flipper. You can just bring your 2 hands together and put them on. That's so technique. Just keep them straight up. Yeah, that looks perfect. There you go. Do what makes you comfortable. What's a little bit more natural. Usually works better in photos than ideas that you come up with yourself. So just stay there for a sec for me. So again, you want to do a few shots. Work the angles. Work the mood. Especially with kids, they tend to cycle through emotions in their face, you know, from bored to super bored to really extra bored, and then the eye roll, and then the dad joke, and then the smile. Oh, isn't that funny? Look at me, look at me. And often, after that little bit of silly, is the moment where the intensity comes in, and you get the shot. Pretty good, kiddo. Thank you.